Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Garmin Vivoactive 5 to a Samsung phone. First, ensure your Garmin Vivoactive 5 is fully charged and powered on. Next, grab your Samsung phone and download the Garmin Connect app from the Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, make sure Bluetooth is enabled in your phone settings. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth pairing process, setting the foundation for your device connection. Now open the Garmin Connect app on your Samsung phone. If you don't have one, create a new account or simply log in. Navigate to the Garmin Devices section and select Add Device. Your app will then search for nearby devices. Choose your Vivoactive 5 from the list. A unique pairing code will appear on your watch. Enter this code into the app to complete the secure connection. This establishes the link between your devices. Once paired, the Garmin Connect app will begin its initial data synchronization. This process transfers your current activity data and settings. Take a moment to customize your device settings and notification preferences within the app, tailoring it to your needs. From this point forward, your activity data, health metrics, and smart notifications, like calls and texts, will sync automatically, keeping you updated and connected throughout your day. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, try restarting both your Samsung phone and your Garmin Vivoactive 5. Also, double-check that the Garmin Connect app has all necessary permissions enabled in your phone settings. For a stable connection, always keep your phone and watch within a range of approximately 10 meters. Remember to regularly update both the app and your watch's firmware for optimal performance and new features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.